Hi dear friend, in this video I'd like to introduce our advertisement for our high quality PU waterproof zipper. So first I want to introduce our PU feel for you. Look at this one. This is the PU feel. It's very strong and the touch feeling is very good. So we use this feel sticker to the zipper, okay? And the temperature can be bear the temperature more than 115 degrees and under the minus 30 degrees. So even in Russia, in the winter, then you also can use our this PU zipper for overcoat in the outdoor, okay? And second, about the tension, you see, after I left my hand, here, middle side to be 0 again. So the water protection function is very good. And third, let's check the running situation. You see, it's running very well, okay? And fourth, you can see the waterproof film has been stick on the zipper tape very strong, very tightly already. We cannot separate it. You can see it's a very high quality. So if you need such this high quality waterproof zipper, you can send email to us. Thank you.